Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing poster in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. Just click on adjustment layer, solid color, select this time little bit gray color. The background is ready. Select text, just write down POSTR poster. So the text is too much closer, so we are going to make little bit distance but not so much. So this one is perfect for my work, so resize this one. I think this one is pretty good, and select your model. So this one is our model, so I am going to select this one by using select option. So the model is selected. We are going to place this one in our new document. Okay, so I'm going to place this one in this area. So just take a new layer and merge this both layer. Merge this one. This one is the easiest process. Select quick selection tool, select the poster text. So this one is selected, and we are going to click this one in this area, our model area, and first we are going to duplicate this one. And just click on this one and press delete key. So I'm going to erase this area, so I'm going to take a mask layer. So just click on brush, select solid brush, and we are going to remove this area. Then click on this area and just make foreground color white and select a brush. Adjust the size of your brush and again apply this. Take new brush. So my friend, the poster is almost ready, and you can also add some extra effects, as like take a new layer and select this one and increase the size of your brush, and also add this one. So the text is almost completed, and just take a new layer, go to brush, this time take solid brush. So where it is general brush, just hard brush, and remove these areas. So the work is completed. Hope you like this tutorial. So see you soon with new tutorial.